This is the quality of your cutouts you need for doing the Mod Podge technique. In my case, I'm going to use terracotta pots for these ones. This more rough type from the same fabric is what you need, and you only need to do it that roughly for cutting out with fusible web. This is all prepared now on fusible web. These are samplers which are finished. I'm now going to put fusible web on them so that they can be ironed on to a set of serviettes. You see how I fill in the space so as not to waste the fusible web with all these little ones, and the little children can use those. The next step is to cover your ironing board or table like so, and heat up the iron very hot. Now ladies, similarly, I pull it back, the cover sheet, from one corner gradually. It can take a bit of time, and the little ones will sometimes still adhere to the cover fabric, but you really don't need to worry about that because you just pick them off afterwards. Especially little ones will pick up, but you separate it gradually. And there you have it now. All it remains is that I pick off all of those things and separate them. Now, I'm going to move along and show you a different technique with these samples for children's craft. I'm going to do them the other way around. And these I will do differently because they have some dimensional paint on them and they must be treated differently. Now this way, ladies, you can't see very much at all, of course, because these are face down now on my undercloth, and I will do it from the back, which a lot of people feel is a lot easier, and it eventuates with the same thing, but this is quite a bit faster. Now ladies, you see how as I've been taking it off, I've been retrieving the backing paper. I like to keep as much as I can at the beginning of a session because they have terrific uses, such as, now you might remember that there's dimensional paint here, and dimensional paint here. So I've cut out those backings and put them like that for these ones so that they don't melt. Now they're turned over, ready for ironing. And now I hope I haven't melted the dimensional paint. And they're perfect. Now ladies, I'm just going to show you how to fix up little faults. For example, what I have intended for these samples, it is thick material and it's going on thick material. So it's important to get good coverage with the fusible web. And I've missed here and I've missed up here on this one. What do I do about it? Now this is what you do about that. You cut a couple of strips and you make patches like this and iron them in. You see how easy it is, ladies? for children